Can I add to that?
Yeah.
What I think people need to understand is we're still a team that's trying to build. There's a lot of new players in the team. We have a system that not a lot of person are used to yet. And it takes time to build a team if you really want to be successful. And everything doesn't come overnight. It takes time. And we as Jamaican always think that because you're talented, that means you have to win games or you have to play the best of your ability. It takes hard work, it takes dedication, and it takes a lot of commitment and a lot of understanding. And sometimes we just need time to build as a group. As you can see, we have great players in the national team as right now. We have a great coach. So we just need to build, and we need people to believe in the progress and the process and just be together as one, because that's what we need. And you can see as we go forward, the team is only getting better and stronger, and it's only going to get even better. And I think that's what we all need to understand sometimes. We need time to build as a group, and that's what any good team has to do. Any good team at all has to take time to build to be successful.